Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly relatable and practical theme. Let's call it conversations at the bus stop. You know, those brief moments that can really brighten your day and even help you practice your English without you noticing. It's like a hidden gym for your language skills, right?
Oh wow, that's such an interesting concept. I mean, bus stops are where people are just, standing around, waiting. It's almost like a pause in time, where conversations can just, pop up.
Exactly. So picture yourself at a bus stop, and you notice someone looking a bit lost. You could approach them with a simple, "Excuse me, is this the bus stop for Route 45?
And you'd be surprised at how many people might actually want to chat. But, how can we keep the conversation going after that?
Great question. For instance, after confirming the bus route, you could say, "It's a bit chilly today, isn't it?" to spark a little small talk. It's like opening a door to a room full of stories.
Oh wow, I love that. Like weather chat is the universal conversation starter. But what if they don't engage? That could feel super awkward.
That's the beauty of it. Even if they don't respond much, you can always pivot. Just share your own experience. Say something like, "Yeah, I should have brought a jacket," and it keeps the flow going. It's like throwing a ball back and forth, right?
Oh, that's a great analogy. Like, you don't want to be the only one talking, but, oh wait, haha, if you do, does that make you the ball hog?
Haha, exactly. No one wants to be the ball hog in conversation. And if the bus is late, you can bring that into the mix, like, "I think the bus is running late again." That's another way to relate.
Yes. And you can bond over that shared frustration. I can just picture it. Standing there, both of you checking your watches like, is it Monday again?
Right? Those little shared moments can create instant connections. So if your new friend is waiting too, you might say, "I hope it comes soon," and just vent a little together.
Venting at the bus stop. So interesting. And do you have to know specific phrases for, like, asking about fares too?
Absolutely. That's crucial. You can jump in with, "Do you know how much the fare is to downtown?" It's part of the bus stop etiquette.
Oh, so it's kind of like learning the secret handshake of public transportation. And if they give the wrong answer, like, "Oh, it's $4," and it's actually $2, can you, correct them?
Ha! Well, you don't want to come off too judgmental. Just say something like, "Oh, perfect, I wasn't sure." It's all about keeping it light.
Got it. It's like keeping the vibe chill and friendly, even when you're, oh, there goes the bus.
Exactly. And when the bus finally arrives, you could say, "Looks like our bus is here," with a little excitement. It's all part of the experience.
So, if you want to sit together, do you just ask, "Do you want to sit together?" That's so straightforward.
Yep, simplicity is key. Plus, riding together can lead to even more conversations once you're on board. Like, "So, what's your job like?"
I love it. That's just endless possibilities. Like a bus ride becomes a mini adventure.
Exactly. And if our listeners enjoyed this little dive into bus stop banter, they should definitely hit that like button and share their own experiences.
Oh, and I want to know where they talk to people in English. That's so fun.
Right? Until next time, everyone, remember, every moment is a chance to practice speaking English with confidence.
See you in the next video.